In this video, I am going to teach you how to use sprints in ClickUp so you can manage agile projects more efficiently. Sprints are perfect for planning short, focused work cycles. Watch until the end to make your sprint planning smoother. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the right workspace for your project. Next, go to your profile by clicking your icon at the top left corner. This is where you can adjust your workspace settings. Choose Space in the available options to manage your space features. This is where you'll enable sprints. Enable the sprint feature by clicking the sprint icon in the settings. This will activate the sprint functionality for that space. After you turn it on, just click Save to apply the settings. Now sprints are ready to use in your space. Now to use it, go to your home and click the three dots next to the space name. This opens additional options for your space. Click Convert List to Sprint to turn an existing list into a sprint. This way your tasks will be grouped and tracked within the sprint cycle. And that's how to use sprints in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more ClickUp tutorials. See you next time!